In this video, we're diving deeper into the colors of Stabilo Boss highlighters, exploring their different variations, helping you decide which one are worth buying. So stick around until the end because we'll also see how they perform as both highlighters and coloring materials. Hey friends, it's Day here and I'm helping stationery collectors build their collections. Links are at the description box or pinned at the comment section. Let's begin. The Stabilo Boss Original Highlighter is one of the most iconic highlighters used by students, professionals, and stationery lovers, especially popular for notes, journaling, and swatches. Let's take a look at each colors. Stabilo Neon. Stabilo Neon highlighters are bright fluorescent colors designed to stand out instantly. Red, orange, yellow, turquoise, green, blue, lavender, lilac, and pink. Stabilo Pastel. Stabilo Pastel highlighters feature soft, muted colors that are gentle on the eyes. Mellow coral red, pale orange, creamy peach, milky yellow, dash of lime, hint of mint, touch of turquoise, breezy blue, cloudy blue, lilac haze, frozen fuchsia, pink blush, pastel dusty gray, cherry blossom pink. Overall, the pastel and neon are also available in DES 23 set. Stabilo Nature Colors plus Black. Stabilo Nature Colors are earthy, muted highlighters that give a more natural, toned-down look. Warm gray, earth green, mud green, beige, amber, sienna, black. Pastel by Juicenay. Pale orange, hint of mint, cloudy blue, frozen fuchsia. Stabilo Wildflower. Wildflower is one of the newer shades in the Stabilo Nature color range. Blush, burgundy, gray violet, ultramarine. Last is this Stabilo Red. This is perfect for bold highlighting, corrections, and adding strong emphasis. Great for marking important notes or creating high contrast detail in your artwork. Let's do a quick highlighting test. Stabilo Neon. They are super bright, bold, and instantly eye-catching. Perfect if you want your notes to really stand out. Overall, they are perfect for bold highlights, strong accent, color coding, posters, and pop art. Stabilo Pastel. If you're looking for soft aesthetic tones, then Stabilo Pastel Highlighter Set is perfect for you. It includes 14 pieces of highlighters, perfect for journaling, aesthetic notes, and calming color palettes. Create soft aesthetics with Stabilo Pastel Highlighters. Pastel by Juicenay. Gives you those cool, wintry pastel vibe. Very gentle, clean, and super pretty on papers. Stabilo Nature Colors plus Black. Earthy and balanced tones with black for contrast, perfect for both highlighting and even creative coloring. Stabilo Wildflower. Soft and slightly floral, adds a subtle to beautiful pop to your pages. Stabilo Red. Bold, strong, and super noticeable, perfect for important notes and emphasis. Overall, each one has its own vibe, whether you like bold, soft, or natural tones. There's definitely a Stabilo set for you. Now, do they bleed through? This is what the back of the paper looks like after swatching. There's some ghosting, which one of the downside of Stabilo highlighters, especially if you're a bit heavy-handed like me. The good thing is, it doesn't bleed through to the next page, even on 80 GSM paper. Now let's talk about what I love about these highlighters. First, The color range is amazing. You get so many options for different theme and aesthetic. They're also great for filling large areas, so backgrounds are super quick and easy. I love that they have color codes. It makes organizing and picking colors so much easier. Beginner friendly, easy to control, and they glide really smoothly on paper. Plus, they are refillable, so they're more budget friendly and sustainable in the long run. These are the things that I don't really love about these markers. They can look a bit streaky, especially on large areas, and layering can be a bit patchy. Also, since the tip is broad, it's not the best for super detailed works. Stabilo Boss highlighters can show noticeable ghosting with ink visible on the other side, making them less ideal for double-sided use. These highlighters are amazing for highlighting, journaling, and simple coloring. They're perfect for students and casual creatives. But for more advanced and professional artwork, you might want to use other art materials. Which set should you buy? If you are on a budget, start with few single or small pastel or nature set. Then build your collection over time. If you want the most versatile option, go for the Desk Set 23. You'll also save more when you buy it as a set. If you love bold and eye-catching colors, go for the Neon Set. If you prefer soft and aesthetic tones, the Pastel or Jusney set are perfect. Also, the Pastel by Jusney colors are already available in pastel set. So the Stabilo Pastel Jusney is really for collectors. If you're into journaling, nature theme or coloring, definitely the Nature Colors or Wildflower set is for you. And if you need something for important notes, you can't go wrong with classic Stabilo Red. And there you have it. These are my Stabilo Boss original highlighters. Feel free to comment which is your favorite set. And if you love videos like this, hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay happy and creative.